Introducing the GoQi Continental, the first completely wireless charging travel wallet, which will not only keep you organized, but also your phone and tech gadgets charged up all day. Join the GoQi revolution. We all know the situation when our batteries are running low. It always happens at the wrong time. We thought there must be a more sophisticated and elegant solution than bringing power banks, cables, and adapters, so we came up with the GoQi Continental, a wireless charging travel wallet which allows you to charge your phone wirelessly. We understand that not everyone or everywhere has wireless charging phones or charging plates, so we built in a regular USB charging cable to charge your wallet and also a micro USB cable to charge your cell phone and other wireless gadgets. GoQi Tech is based around Qi wireless charging specifications and is currently compatible with other Qi-compatible products and accessories.
15 years ago, I left chartered accounting in Australia to pursue a passion in designing and producing leather goods. I've always had an interest in integrating technology with my designs. The GoQi wallet is the first step towards this. Now I need your support to make this happen. My vision is to integrate the GoQi technology into your everyday lives to enable you to be charged at all times. Act now and don't miss out on the wireless revolution.
We're StatGear, and over the past few years we've shipped over 10,000 products to our Kickstarter backers. Creating is our passion, and we're proud to introduce the Leaf Wallet. Here's how this all went down. I was perfectly happy with my overstuffed wallet that I've had since college, until one day my wife said, "It's time for you to slim down." Your wallet? She had bought me my first Minimalist wallet. Walking around with my new Minimalist wallet, life was good. Except for the one small obstacle, which seems most Minimalist wallet designs have: paying with cash. Did you catch that? I'll show you again slowly. Having to put down your wallet so you could sort through your cash is crazy. So together with my design team, we set out to build the perfect Minimalist wallet. We wanted a natural, vegetarian-friendly wallet that's super durable, which is why we chose to make them out of felt. Felt from wool is considered the oldest known textile. In addition to being renewable and environmentally friendly, wool felt is wrinkle and wear resistant, doesn't ravel or fray, can be exposed to the elements, and it's even flame retardant. The Leaf wallet has 6 RFID blocking credit card slots, which can comfortably hold 2 cards each. We designed the cash section with all major currencies in mind, and made it super convenient to put in, leaf through, and remove your bills. While playing around with the felt and elastic during the design process to make the perfect Minimalist wallet, we actually came up with a design for the perfect Minimalist key organizer. Instead of walking around like a human wind chime, you just pop your keys into your key cuff for a stealthier approach. The Leaf Wallet and Key Cuff by StatGear. Classy, simple, perfect.
We don't like leather wallets, do we, Kit?
No, we don't, Matt. So we made this. The micro wallet was conceived as a joint appreciation of minimalist design.
As we grew frustrated with traditional leather wallets only lasting several months instead of several years, and as designers, we knew we could do better. We set ourselves a pretty challenging brief: to design a minimalist wallet that was not only aesthetically beautiful, but functionally superior to anything else on the market.
Our years of industry experience enabled us to quickly evaluate our designs, taking them from initial concept through to sourcing manufacturing partners for mass production.
Our use of PVD coating would rival most high-end watches. This provides an extremely high scratch-resistant finish.
We had concerns about our product's strength, so we decided to test it.
Ready, Kit?
We fitted our wallet with a low friction TPU strap. This prevents it from sticking to your clothes. Holding all your cards securely, you no longer have to remove them to make a payment.
One of our proudest achievements is its full functionality of a regular wallet without the bulk. Believe it or not, we've even managed to find space for your change.
We've sourced our suppliers, we've manufactured our prototypes, and we've tested them to their limits.
And this is where we need your help, the Kickstarter community, to help fund this campaign and make the first production run of the micro wallet a huge success. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Oh, hey there, I didn't see you. Well, I'm Steve, I'm 23 and I study in Ukraine, while my passion is leather working. I've been doing my hobby for more than 2 years already and I got some sufficient background in leathercraft. So let me show you the most minimalistic design that I've came to. Well, where do I put this? No, that is not the case. Let me show you another one. This one is slim, compact and practical. So let me tell you in detail about my project.